Tired of System.io being just another tool and ready to turn it into a true money-making machine? Let's dive in. First, you need a product, and System.io shines here. Go to the Products, Courses section, click Create, and then fill out the course or product details, including name, description, and pricing. Make it irresistible. Offer valuable content or solve a problem people are willing to pay for. Next, build a killer sales funnel. Head over to the Funnels section and create a new funnel. Choose a pre-designed template or start from scratch. Design an attention-grabbing opt-in page to collect emails, followed by a compelling sales page showcasing the benefits of your product. Don't forget a thank you page to confirm the purchase. Now, leverage the power of email marketing. Within System.io, you can set up automated email sequences, create a targeted email campaign to nurture your leads and promote your product, segment your audience based on their behavior, and personalize your messages for maximum impact. Finally, analyze your results and optimize. System.io provides detailed analytics on your funnels and email campaigns. Track your conversion rates, identify areas for improvement, and refine your strategy. Consistently test different elements to maximize your earnings. With System.io, your online presence can be scaled. It will become a passive income dream. Implement these strategies and watch your revenue soar. Subscribe for more System.io tutorials.